The hope of Nigeria, Hope Uzodinma, Governor of thank you. And Governor of Borno, Niger, Benue, Ogun, Kaduna. If I miss you, forgive me. I'm too excited. Former governors here present. My friend, Danko Almakura, and my former chairman, Senator Abdullahi. Thank you. You've seen the product of your hard work. Standing before you, so don't blame me if I say I'm excited or exhausted. I'm in Nasarawa State, a state that represents the macrocosm of Nigeria. The national anthem that came back, that we are singing now, will have started from Nasarawa State. It is the state of great complexity that has the diversity of culture, people, and prosperity. I'm very proud to be here. To all of you, thank you for a welcome reception that is so, engaging and up to the cultural groups. Plus my friend, And I went through the papers this morning. I saw so many advertorials. Adamu, former IG, Aliyu Wadada, and all of that. Welcome to Nasarawa. Okay, I'm here. And I'm going back to that little place where you put me. I'll be back here to celebrate all of you and celebrate the joy of a transformative Nigeria that is emerging and coming up. We've turned the corner of depression, of uncertainty. We've cut the waste. You've listened to a daily alake. I won't go much on the economic dynamism that we are facing. But the hope is here. From this moment on, you will have no regrets. I could see hard work coming from A.A. Sule. Determined to use the resources available to him for the benefit, stability, and prosperity of Nasarawa State. Sule is doing well because Ebola Tinubu is doing well too. Those who have triggered the alley politics and the partition of coalition suddenly just don't pay them any attention. They are the political IDPs. Don't give them a home. The hope is here. Sule is doing well. We will support whatever a Governor Sule brings about to work harder for the prosperity and renaissance of Nasarawa State. That's all we stand for. I'm not geared for what they try to pull on me, only political campaign. But who is a politician who will keep quiet when the gangsterism are forming a coalition to unseat themselves? And I want to say thank you, the First Lady of Nasarawa State, thank you very much. My wife told me of your hospitality and a great message that you announced while she was here. She asked me to give you our regards and respect. And in Imam, the Minister for Women Affairs, thank him for what we are doing, the mobilization of women, the encouragement, the empowerment. I say thank you very much. I could see the fertile lands. I could see the mechanization effort of the governor. I could see equipment rolling. I could see sacks and bags and the rapid growth and harvesting of rice and millet and many other things. Yes, we will work with you to ensure values are added to your mineral deposits. But don't, because you are a solid mineral state, forget your agriculture. We are going to make agri profitable, sexier, and interesting for all of you, the youths, the women, and we will empower you through small-scale financing, loan, and opportunity for prosperity. Thank you very much. I am glad I'm here. I want to stay, but the weather is warning me. Thank you very much. Enjoy your stay. God bless Nasarawa State. God bless Nigeria. God bless everyone.